There's an Oklahoma boating event happening a mile down the street. Bennington 25QX Fastback. Mercury 400 horsepower V10 engine. Look at these wonderful front sofas with diamond stitching. Boat does come with a trailer. We just finished our Oklahoma Boating Expo and we were wanting to continue that momentum. Events like this cost thousands of dollars and we're gonna pass all those savings on to you, the consumer. A mile down the street, we're at 21st and Sheridan. Free parking, we're gonna be open later hours. We've got more than 40 boats on hand on our showroom. We've got more than 200 boats in total inventory. We've got brands like Vexus, Camus, Robalo, Chaparral, Bennington Tri-Tunes, and Mastercraft. We've got some great inventory. We've got some great factory rebates in excess of more than $100,000. We've got some great low rate financing on some of our closeout 2024 models. You are not gonna wanna miss this opportunity. This is gonna be the best opportunity to find a boat if you're looking for something in 2025. Stop in at 21st and Sheridan. We might be able to save you some time. We will definitely save you some money. This is our Bennington QX series. This is our Bennington 25QX Fastback. This boat is loaded with fiberglass and stainless. We've got a black cladded power arch. Look at that beautiful color. The boat just shimmers. QX insignia, huge rear swim platform area. You have rear stereo controls. Got a stainless gate in case you have young kids. We also have Mercury 400 horsepower V10 engine. It's plenty of power for all your friends and family. This boat does come with a trailer. One important factor about all Bennington product is you have a 10-year factory warranty from the deck up. You have a limited lifetime warranty from everything from the deck down. This is one of the best well-made Tri-Tunes on the market. Not only does it look good, it performs just even better. Look at that fiberglass in the front, Bennington logos, plenty of storage, stainless handrails. And like I said, this is a double bimini for more sun coverage. Look at these wonderful front sofas with diamond stitching, how plush those pillow tops are. Got in-floor storage. Look at our captain and co-captain seats right here. Diamond stitching on those captain seats. An elevated helm here for your captain, digital throttle and shift. You've got wireless battery chargers for your phone, SIMRAD screens, digital switching. Look at that stainless wheel. And look at these rear sofas. Like I said, this is the Bennington QX 25 Fastback.